Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, as you see, this is Windows 10 installed laptop and it is HP EliteBook PolyStudio. So I want to replace this Windows 10 with Windows 11. So I have loaded a Windows 11 OS in pendrive and then insert this pendrive to the USB port. Now restart the computer. Once your computer is restarting, just press F10. You will enter into the BIOS setup. Go to Advanced and then you will find below boot order. See, this is the boot options. You just need to tap on boot options. Then scroll down and you will find here boot order. See, pen drive is detected. Select your pen drive and then press enter on the keyboard and then move up pen drive option USB drive at the top so that OS will be installed directly from your pen drive. Then press escape, press enter again and then press escape, again press escape, and then here you have to click yes button to save changes. Now press next, again next. Now I would like to install Windows 11, repair my PC. So by default it is selected install Windows 11. Now we have to select this checkbox. Files, I agree everything will be deleted including files, apps and settings. Before proceeding to formatting your PC, you must need to keep backup of your files. Click next, enter product key. If you don't have product key, simply select this option, I don't have a product key. Please select the image you want to install, or you just need to select. I am selecting Windows 11 Pro, or you can also select Windows 11 Home Edition. Then click next. Click accept. Now here we have to select the location where to install Windows 11. You can rearrange the partition. After selecting it to select the click next desired partition where would you like to install Windows 11. Again click install. So I just to install this OS in 120 GB hard disk. Your PC will this is 120 start GB several times. This might take a while and then you will see the progress of the installation. It looks like you started an upgrade and booted from installation media. If you want to continue with the upgrade, remove the media from your PC and click yes. If you want to perform a clean installation instead, click no. So just remove the pen drive. After removing the media, click yes. So what language do you want to use for your second keyboard layout? So I just want to make it English India. Click next. Which keyboard layout or input method would you like to use? Let's connect to a network. You will need an internet connection to continue setting up your device. Once connected, you will get the latest features and security updates. If you need to install a network adapter driver, download it from your device manufacturer's website from the maker of your network adapter. So I don't have an internet connections. If you have a driver already downloaded from internet, simply insert the USB drive and install your driver. So I don't have an internet connection. Simply I just click I don't have internet. Here you have to provide your computer name. Then click next. Then you have to set a password. Click next. Again enter password. Click next. Password hint is required. Click next. Click next. Click next. Too many questions. Want to use your face to sign in faster and more securely? Want to use your face to sign in faster and more securely? Click next. I just want to make ready for you. Skip for now. Click accept. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Almost there. So finally we have installed Windows 11. One more thing I would like to say, there is no this PC or my computer icon on the desktop. So just right click on the desktop. So more personalize. Click personalize. Oh, here you just need to search theme. THEME. Themes related settings. You scroll down and you will find your desktop icon settings. Just click on it and then select here computer icon and then click apply. OK. You will see this PC icon appears here. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.